I'm Jody Lipton, one of the managing partners here at Lipton Law. Thank you for your interest in the MDL case Lipton Law is investigating. Before you decide to move forward, we want to explain important information about MDLs and what you can come to expect. MDL stands for multi-district litigation. It's a special legal process that combines many similar cases from across the country into one federal court. This happens when many people have been harmed in similar ways, often by the same product or the same medication. Not everyone qualifies for an MDL. The court, not Lipton Law, establishes specific criteria that determine who can participate. These might include the type of injury, when it occurred, and what medical documentation identifies the injury. Now, MDL cases typically take several years to resolve. This longer timeline is due to the complex nature of these cases and the potentially hundreds and often thousands of claimants involved. There are substantial costs that the lawyers lay out in pursuing these complex cases, including expert witnesses, medical record collection, and court fees. The judges overseeing the MDL will determine how the costs will be distributed amongst all the claimants. Your potential compensation is determined at the end of the case, usually through a court-approved formula. This formula considers a variety of factors, such as the total settlement amount, the number of qualifying claimants, the severity of each person's injuries, and what medical documentation and evidence they have to corroborate their claim. This means individual compensation is based on how your case compares to others within the overall settlement structure. As I think you can tell, MDLs are extremely complex legal proceedings. Having experienced legal representation is crucial to ensure that your interests are protected, that your case is properly documented, and that you receive fair consideration within the settlement process. If you'd like to learn more about whether your situation might qualify for this MDL and how Lipton Law might be able to help, the next step would be a more detailed conversation with our intake team. We're here to answer any questions you may have about the process. Thank you.